Welcome to the Bureau of Ocean Energy Management's public meetings for an offshore wind project proposed in your community. These informal meetings follow an open house format, offering you the chance to speak directly with subject matter experts. As you enter, you'll find project posters explaining each detail of the proposed project, giving you a comprehensive understanding of what's being proposed during each phase of the planning process. But these meetings aren't just about learning from us. It is also about having your voice heard. You can learn about how to submit comments. There are opportunities to provide handwritten or online comments at the meeting. And if you want, you can even record your thoughts with the on-site court reporter. Your input matters. And we want to ensure that your thoughts and concerns are accurately documented. So come on in, explore the project posters, and talk with our experts. Let's work together to shape the future of offshore wind projects in your community. Thank you for being a part of this process.